Hey kids, it's Mrs. Fravel. How are you? Good. I'm fine too. Okay, just really quickly, now that we kind of have now that I kind of have a handle on how we're going to be doing things going forward, I wanted to make sure that you guys understand how to do some of the technical parts of Google. I would like you for my class to create a biology folder in your Google Drive. And honestly, now that we're working a lot more online and you should be getting your devices from school, you should be creating a folder for each of your classes in your Google Drive because a lot of your teachers will be using it. And it's kind of going to be like your binder where you would have, a different section for each class. It's just going to be digital. So here's how you create folders in your Google Drive. So you're going to go to your drive, and the address for that, if you don't know, is csddocs.org. So you type that into the address bar, okay, and it should take you to your Google Drive as long as you're logged in. You should bookmark that, okay? Make sure that you can just one-click access it. Then it should show you whatever you have created or has been shared with you in your Google Drive. And as you can see, I have a lot of things. I have a lot of folders. So I try to keep everything organized. What you're going to do, what I would like you to do is create a biology folder. So what you're going to do is come up to New. You're going to click New, Folder. You're going to title it Biology 2020. 2021, hit create, okay, and that will populate in alphabetical order in your folders menu, okay, and then you can just access anything by double clicking it, okay. So here's how I would like you to use it as we go forward. You should be moving and saving and creating anything for biology in that biology folder. Okay, so here's how you'll do it if I give you a Canvas assignment. Okay, there's two ways. One, if there's a Canvas assignment that looks like this, so this is going to be next week's. So for your CERs, what you should do is when I assign your CER, you should come here. It'll be an embedded document. Any embedded document that you see, click on the blue link. That's going to open a copy for you, your own copy in your drive. What you should do first is give it a minute to load. And then you're going to, I would like you to please rename your copy to whatever unit it is. So let's say it's Unit 2 CER, okay? And then you're going to come to this little icon. Okay, there will be this little picture of a file folder. You want to make sure that you put that in the right place. Okay, so you'll go hit this little arrow back to where until you get to My Drive if it's not already there, and then come to your Biology 2021, and you're going to move it there. Okay, and then you'll fill in whatever assignment it is, and then to submit it, you come back to here. And on your page, you will have a blue button here that says Submit Assignment, okay? And you'll click that, and it will just send me a copy of your copy, and whatever you've written on it should show up in my Canvas for me to grade, okay? Easy peasy, right? Okay, that's the one kind, when you have an assignment that looks like this, where it's embedded in the page. Okay, but sometimes there will be assignments where I ask you to create a Google Slides or a Google document of your own. I don't embed one. So here's how you do that. You come back to your drive, you go to your Biology 2020-2021 folder. I don't need that. You're going to hit New. And if I tell you, build a Google document to do this, you're going to hit Google Doc. It'll make you a new one. You put a title in, okay? And then that assignment is already in your biology folder, so you know where to find it, okay? And then to submit that, let's say that I am making you write a ecology essay, just for example. And ecology is the study of the environment and living organisms. Okay? You finish the assignment, whatever I asked you to write, and then here's how you submit those. You're going to come up here to share. You're going to click Get Link, and you need to make sure to look here, right there. Okay, if it says restricted, you need to change link to Canyon School District. That way I can view it. If it's restricted, I can't view it. You do not need to type my name in anywhere. Just get a Canyon School District link, click Copy Link. Link is copied. Then you go back to Canvas on whatever assignment it is, and you submit that on the assignment. Okay? I will show you how to do this in class as well. But if you're working online, if you can't figure out how to do this, send me a message and I'll walk you through it on a Google Meet. Okay? Okay. I hope you guys are all well and healthy. And I hope that I hope we get back to normal soon. But let me know if you need anything. Have a great day.